Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Churro French Toast from the Simply Vegan Cookbook. Before we get to this French toast recipe though, I wanted to talk a little bit about the cookbook itself. The Simply Vegan Cookbook is by Dustin Harder, and it is aimed at new vegans, but I think anyone can get quite a bit out of this cookbook. What I really like about it is, of course, the recipes are simple, just like the name implies, and you know I love simple vegan recipes. But it also is arranged in a really interesting way. Instead of breaking it up into courses like most cookbooks do, Dustin breaks his table of contents up by category. So you have like greens, beans, so on. And his thinking behind this is that it will help guide you shopping through the grocery store, because I think that first few trips, especially to the grocery store when you first go vegan, can be a little bit tricky. You don't know how to attack it, and this book kind of helps you do that by arranging the recipes in the same way that you would think about shopping for food to stock your fridge and pantry, which is really cool. It's full of awesome recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, including this Churro French Toast. Let's do it!